Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adaoli Sam. I'm the founder of the Digital Home. On today's tutorial, I'll be showing you on how you can create a Facebook manual ad account, otherwise known as a Facebook prepaid ad account. This is the kind of account where you're taking money from your card and you put it into your ad account through a third-party app, instead of the regular adding of your credit card or debit card to your ad account and Facebook just automatically the money from your card. While I always advise this option, because most clients, especially here in Nigeria, most of my clients in Nigeria, they always complain that Facebook does not accept their card, their Visa card or MasterCard, that Facebook does not accept it, which I really don't know what the problem is. Sometimes it could be from the bank, but to just avoid the back and forth of Facebook not accepting your card or not, I always advise them to just go for a manual ad account, a prepaid ad account. So without talking too much, let's go right into the video. You go into your search tab, your browser that I use. I'm in my Chrome now, and I'm going to be going into my business manager account. So we just go to business.facebook.com. If you don't have an account in business.facebook.com, you can create one yourself, or you can create one. I'm going to actually create a video later on. I had to do a quick one for my clients because she needed to create an ad account. That's why I'm doing this video, and at the same time also upload to my YouTube channel. So later on, I'm going to actually create a video, make a video on how you can create a business manager ad account. So now I'm in my business suite. My business suite here, I have a lot of pages I manage for my clients. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be using one of my pages. So I'm using this page here, Adobe Fabrics, to create an ad account. So you want to go into settings, not tools. You want to go into settings here. From settings, you want to go into more business settings. From the more business settings, this is where you see other settings that are not in the regular settings. So I want to create an ad account now, so I just come here to add accounts. Right now I have 2 ad accounts under this business manager. I'm going to create one. For every business manager, they have their limit of how many ad accounts you can actually create. So if you want to see your limits, just go to your business info on the left hand side. Go to business info here. Then you come here and you see your ad account creation limit. So for this business manager ad account, I'm limited to 3, which is fine because I just only have 2. One was created here and one was even brought in. But that does not mean I have 2, so I can always create another one. So you see, when you click on the add button here, the drop down says add an ad account, request access to an ad account, create a new ad account. I'll be clicking on create a new ad account. I'll give my ad account a name. So I'm going to give it my business name. What better name than to give it your business name? Adobe Fabrics. I already have one Adobe Fabrics, so I'll just give it to Adobe Fabrics 2. So you want to check your time zone. What it's showing right now is GMT America, Los Angeles, and I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. So I want to find a time zone that suits my location. So I'll be looking for Africa, Lagos, GMT +1, Africa, Lagos. Okay. Oh my goodness, here it is, Africa, Lagos, GMT +1, Africa, Lagos. So I'm going to be choosing our Nigerian Naira because I'm in Nigeria against the USD, US dollars. Nigerian Naira, here it is. So I'll be clicking on next. This ad account will be used for my business. So I'll click on my business and I'll click on create. So now an ad account is going to be created for us by Facebook. So you want to assign a role to this ad account, assign people to this ad account so that they can actually use it to run ads. So I'm the only person in my ad account, so I'll just be assigning myself to that account and I'll be giving myself the full control. So assign. So right now here, I'm not going to be adding any payment information. I'm going to close here and exit here. I'm going to take you right to where you can actually now add money into your ad accounts. So by clicking on the hamburger button, it takes you down here to billing. So when you are in billing here, you come to payment settings. But let's just wait for it to load. Let's see everything on this page. The network is really bad. So we come to payment settings here. We click on payment settings. So you want to confirm if you're on the right ad account from here. Remember, we just created a new ad account and the name is Ado is a fabric store. So you want to confirm if you're on the right ad account. If you aren't, you can click this drop down arrow, then you choose an ad account which you created, which you want to work on, which you want to add money into. Then I come here back to payment settings. Okay, and you scroll down to see add payment method. If there was money in your ad account, you will not see your current balance as 0 naira because there's no money in your ad account. You're seeing it as 0 naira. So you come here to payment method and you click on add payment method. So adding a payment method here, you would want to confirm your location and currency if there are points. Country Nigeria, currency Nigeria naira, time zone Lagos time is on point, so you save it. Can you see here? It says your location and currency cannot be changed once set. So if there's an error here, it can't be changed. It's either you create another new ad account or you keep using it that way. So click on save. And you come down here where it says Naira payments with MasterCard or Visa using PayU. So this is the option we are going to be using. If you actually go with debit or credit card, this is where the money is going to be deducted from your card automatically. We are going to be choosing Naira payments with MasterCard and Visa. So you click on that option and you go to next. By default, over 45 always pops up, but you can always decrease it or increase it depending on the amount you want to add. So for example, I'm going to be using 1,000 naira for the purpose 1,000 naira for the purpose of this class, for this tutorial, pardon me. So I click on next. Alright, so I click on continue. So it brings us here to PayU. PayU is a gateway, it's like a third-party app connection between your card and Facebook. Just more like InstaSwitch and the rest that we are familiar with. So we put in our card number here. You click on here, pay 1,000 naira. So whatever amount you put earlier, you are going to see it there saying pay so amount. So click on it. So it brings you here where you are supposed to put in a code that has been sent to your phone number or your mail, so you can confirm payments. I'm going to be choosing the soft token option for my card. So the token has been generated. I'll just check my phone right now to see if I got the code. Just came in now. I'm going to be inputting the code from my bank. Okay, it's saying your transaction was unsuccessful, insufficient credits. Sorry, I used the wrong card earlier, so we are going to repeat the same process again. We come to add payments method. To add funds into your account, you click on add payments method. Then you come here to the second option that says Naira payments with MasterCard or Visa, pay you. You click on that. So we are going to add the amount we'll use. I'm going to be using 1,000 Naira because that's the amount I can spare right now. You click on next. You can always actually add up to 10,000 Naira, 20,000 Naira or more as you please. But try to put in your money bit by bit. If you have like probably 100,000 Naira for an ad, try to put in your money bit by bit, probably 20,000 Naira subsequently for the ads, because most times when you actually now fail to adhere to Facebook policy, Facebook might probably want to ban your account, and if they ban your account when you have money in your ad account, most times 90 out of 100 times you don't get your money back. So it's just better to be on the safe side. So we click switch, quick tell, and the rest. So we are going to put in our card. So you can see your transaction was successful. You click on continue and you'll be directed back to your Facebook ads manager, where you get to see how much. See, success, 1,000 has been added to your prepaid balance. Click on done and your money reflects here. As you can see, your prepaid balance is saying 1,000 Naira. So that is how you add money into your prepaid ad accounts. If you have any questions, you can let me know. You can drop them in the comment section down below. If you found this video very useful, you can give it a thumbs up, you can share, you can subscribe as well, please. Thank you so much for watching. Do have a great day. Bye.